Hey there guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and welcome to a brand new video where we will be doing a small unboxing video for you guys and a general update on my setup to give you guys an idea of what I'm dealing with. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So let's start with the first box, which has a Red Dragon headset that I can't pronounce the name of the model of because I'm too bad in English. Anyway, I'll leave the link in the description below for it if you want to check it out. So I've been using the headset for a while right now and I really feel it's very good. It sounds really nice, it's comfortable, and it has some cushions on the sides that cancel the noise coming from outside. For the price, I'd give it a 5 out of 5. So for the next product, we have another Red Dragon product. So this time it's a mouse pad. It's an extended mouse and keyboard pad actually. It's pretty long actually, and you will find that it's a little bit too large for my desk setup, but I managed to fit it anyway, and it looks pretty nice. It is cheap also. I think it costs like $13.99 or something, and it's a great addition to my Red Dragon setup anyway. So the mouse pad comes, or should I call keyboard pad? So the mouse pad, or whatever you want to call it, comes in a default box, nothing too special, no startup guide, nothing. You just pull it out and stick it on your desk. So pulling up the next box in our review today, we have a 2x4GB sticks of DDR3 RAM. So they're by Patriot Viper, I think. Yep, Viper Patriot or Patriot Viper, I don't know, depends. So these are two 4GB sticks of DDR3 RAM that I bought for my PC, and they were actually the reason why I bought the full Amazon package. Really, I wanted to order them, then I ordered something else with them. So I bought them, maybe like it'll make the editing process much easier, gaming much better, and in general maybe I might be streaming someday, who knows. So opening up the box of the RAM, you find them in a plastic, should I say like a plastic cover in them. They have a metal heat spreader. Nothing really special about them. They're cheap actually. They're 53 or something, 53 bucks or something. Oh, ready to go, falling them down. Anyway, so pulling them up, they're nothing special, but they are still 8GB of RAM. Right now I have 12GB of RAM, as you will see in my setup. I will put my PC specifications later. So 8GB of RAM, as you can see, and we have also another thing in the box that I will show in just a second. Yeah. So we have a Patriot Viper, I think it's called, stickers, which are really nice. I stuck one on my PC and the other one on my phone. Well, broken phone to say so. So they look very nice, and they're a great addition to the unboxing, the unboxing experience. They make it a lot better. So here you go, here's the stickers. 2 stickers to be exact. So let's move on to the next box. So moving up to the 4th box and the last box, which is the biggest box we have today in our unboxing video. So this box may come to be as a surprise for everyone. Well, this is a new microphone. So I bought a $30 package from Newer actually. It's the NW800 microphone. It comes in a package with a microphone stand, a boom arm, and everything, which you will see further in the video, and you will see the full view with my setup all ready to go. So it's the Newer condenser microphone kit. So it is a phantom powered microphone, but I am using it on my typical PC. It outputs a little bit of voice, which, like, the quality of the sound is what you're hearing right now, but it can get a lot better with a XLR audio interface. So start opening up the box, you find 2 pop filters, nothing really special. They look very nice, they're packed very well actually. So the pop filter, here you go. If I can just open it, get it down there. Yep, here we go. So this pop filter is all metal construction, nothing is plastic except for the circle around the pop filter itself, as you can see. It does a great job of filtering the noise. I'm not using it right now, I'm using the typical foam filter that I threw up in the beginning. So digging a little bit down, you find a shock mount, which is all metal construction. I think it's aluminum, maybe, I guess so, but it's very light and it's very durable. So now we have a screw for the mounting mechanism. I will show you in just a little bit. This is a XLR cable to a female, so you can put in your PC, plug it in if you don't have a phantom power. Yeah, it will run at 2 volts, but you do need the 48 volts to run it, or at least like 46. So this is the microphone itself, packed in a really nice package. It feels really good, all metal design, nothing plasticky, nothing cheap. The grill's silver. I bought the silver one. Maybe you know the microphone from the gold one, but I bought the silver one. It just looks a little bit better and just syncs in with the mouse pad and the setup I have. So this is the PC, as you can see over here. We have the first of all we have the power supply cable followed by the keyboard and mouse cable. This is the cable management. I've done my best actually. It needs a little bit of work. This is the wireless card, as you can see. It needs a little bit more work, but it's okay for now. We have the monitor power supply. Then we have the HDMI cable, followed by the mic cable over here. This is the cable connecting to the mic. Then we have the USB hub cable over here, and this is the PC. So guys, this is the setup. First of all, we see the mic, the NW800. Up top is the headphones and the JBL Bluetooth speakers. We have the keyboard and mouse. The keyboard is a Red Dragon Kumaro. The mouse is the Red Dragon Griffin with 2 mouse buttons on the side. We have also the mouse pad over here, and we have a 24-inch 1080p LG display. 60Hz panel, of course. It's an IPS panel, by the way. Looks pretty good. So this is the setup today. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like if you liked, and dislike if you didn't. Please share the video, subscribe for the channel for more awesome videos coming soon.